Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. If you've not been to my channel before, my name is Gail. I make things from polymer clay and I show you how to do it in a tutorial. So my channel is going to be a year old on the 15th of October, so I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers before I do that. Now, this is going to be a bit of a climb, but I've noticed on my channel, according to, these analytic things, that a lot of my watchers aren't subscribed. So I plead with you, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel. And the reason for that is because it just makes me really happy. YouTube takes a really long time to recognize new channels. I am a new channel. I will be a new channel for a very long time. So I'd like to climb and I'd like to become a YouTuber properly. I don't consider myself a YouTuber at the minute. I consider myself a crazy person who plays with clay. With that, please subscribe, it'll be great. So today on this channel, I am going to show you how to cover a tin. It's going to have cool stamping effects and I'm going to cover the whole thing, including the lid and the handle, the lot. So here we go.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Two peas in the pod, two peas in the pod, two peas. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here it is. So it looks completely different. I really liked the effect of this, and also black and gold go amazing. So I love putting gold on black because it just turns into something really, really cool. So the little stamps that I used were actually napkin rings, and I saw the design of them and I thought, wow, that's really cool. And if you can see, they actually look, well, they are zodiac signs, I think is what you'd call them. So I put some upside down and some the right way up, just to give it that cool look really. And then unusually, I don't normally do the handles and stuff like that, but unusually I thought I would just give it a go. So I did, and I made obviously the handle gold and then the trim gold as well, and then made sure that obviously when, yes, unfortunately you do have a bit of a trim here, but to be honest, you know, you're not going to get a full look unless you actually chop that bit out, which I did. So and then yeah, on the inside, perfectly normal. I shoved the whole thing in the oven and baked it as it is. So this is how you cover a tin with polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. So I had a bit of a rearrange. I don't know, what do you think? I ditched the screen thing because, you know, it's boring. I want to get some lights or something, sparkly fairy lights, something that twinkles in the background maybe. I don't know, let me know in the comments what you think, what I can do with this, because I can't actually make anything big enough to go on my wall because I can't get it in the oven. So tell me what you think I should put him on, oh dear. Put on my wall. What shall I put in this weird ass space here? Sorry for the swearing. Oh, ass? Is that swearing? Arse. In England we say arse. But I like saying ass because it's funnier. On me anyway. Something in my ear. We are gonna have some fun. Well, you know, I might. You might not. We'll see. Oh dear. Start again, Jones, start again. Why can't I just be like...